Hello, everyone. We're working through statistical methods for rates and proportions. Chapter 4, Section 4.5, Detecting Effect Size. Equation 4.24 in the textbook allows us to calculate the value of z beta based on the information of P1, P2, alpha, R, and M, where M is the group size 1, and R times M is the second group size. So we're going to create a function here, which takes into account all those values. And then we're going to use 4.24 to get z beta. And then we're going to output the value for z beta, the power, the group size for group 1, group 2, P1, P2, and alpha. So here we can use this function, get dot power dot unequal, and we're going to feed it an example where we have P1 being 0.3. And rather than give it an exact value of P2, we're going to range the values of P2 to be anywhere between 0.45 and 0.60. We're going to set the alpha level to be 0.05. We're going to set the fraction for R to be 2/3. We're going to set the group size of group 1 to be 75. So running this function, we end up getting many different values for z beta, many different values of power. In each case, we had 75 people in group 1, 50 people in group 2. And we can see how was the power affected by increasing the distance between P1 and P2 for a set alpha level. So for example, we have 35% power when P1 is 0.3 and P2 is 0.45. But as the values of P1 and P2 get more spread apart, it's easier to detect a difference and we'll have higher power. In this case, the power is 0.85 when the value of P1 is 0.3 and the value of P2 is 0.58. So in these cases, we can see the relationship between the size of the difference between P1 and P2 and power and alpha. And you can play around and switch the alpha levels and switch the values of P2 and see how that affects things, as well as switching the value of R. I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I'll see you next time.